In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Your first lesson is parts of speech. You know, children, whatever we speak, it depends on these different parts of speech. They are, our first part of speech is noun. Noun are the words that name people, places, things or ideas. They are called the naming words. So, suppose Ghalib is a person and his name is Ghalib, so it's a noun. Place or country, it can be the name of a place or a country like Karachi, Pakistan, Lahore, London. And things, it can be anything which you see, like a cup, a book, a fan, a table, whatever you see around you. There are many nouns are there, so which you can find out. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. The words they, he, she, it are all used in places of a noun. We call them pronouns. They are used to avoid repetition of the names again and again in a sentence. Our third part of speech is adjective, a word which modifies noun or pronoun. It enhances the impact of noun or pronoun. For example, she is a girl, common noun a girl, but she is an intelligent girl. What is the adjective here? Intelligent. What is important about her? Because that she is intelligent. Our next part of speech is adverb. Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. Examples, some of the adverbs are she sings. But a question may come to your mind, children. How does she sing? She sings sweetly. So sweetly is an adverb which is telling about the verb. Okay, so it is telling more about the verb. She sings, but she sings sweetly. Second is he writes neatly. How does he write? He writes neatly, so neatly is an adverb. Ahmed smiled cheerfully. How did Ahmed smile? He smiled cheerfully. Yes, now preposition. The word used before a noun and pronoun to show relation between the other words in the sentence is called preposition. Example, there is a cow in the field. Where is the cow? The cow is in the field. He is fond of tea. What is he fond of? He is fond of tea. So of is a tea. It's a relationship between the tea and of. I go to university daily. Where do I go daily? I go to university. It is the linking verb to. This is preposition. Conjunction. The word which joins two phrases, clauses or sentences. For example, Tarzan and Jane, Tom or Jerry. So these are the conjunctions. They are the joining words. Interjections. We use an exclamation mark in interjection if the emotion is strong. For example, wow. It is followed with a sign of exclamation. I won the lottery. We use a comma if the emotion is not strong. For example, wow, I have a peanut and jelly sandwich for lunch. The verbs. The word which tells us something else about something else is called a verb. A verb denotes an action, feeling or being of a subject, noun. The examples of verbs are the train moves. So moves is what does the train do? It moves. The guest arrived yesterday. When did the guest arrive? They arrived yesterday. So arrived is the verb. He received his gift. What did he receive? He received his gift. There is some action in these sentences. Okay, so these are called the verbs. Importance of verb. The verb plays a sole backbone of a sentence. Without a verb, you never complete your sentence. Thank you, children. So they were the parts of speech. I hope you would understand them. Thank you.